খবর?
আশা করি সবাই ভালো আছেন।
So in this video we're going to share with you how cheap it is. Just for 50 euros you can go from Utrecht to Brussels, or from Brussels to Utrecht, or from Brussels to Amsterdam.
And it's ideally located. Its bus station is just next to the central station.
Yes, it's amazing. I'm so surprised because in Brussels, if you go to Brussels, you take Brussels North Station and it goes straight. There's no stops. It's like 3 hours and a quarter, and you pay like 46 for two, so like 23 per person. You can book it online on Flixbus. Link below.
And it's the cheapest way.
It's the cheapest because if you go by train, like especially depending on what hour it is, but most of the time it's like 8 to 6. So that's quite kind of double at least
Yes.
by train. And by train, of course, you have to change as well.
Yeah.
Most of the time, yes.
And it's also nice if you will go between different cities.
Yes, so you can see the Netherlands, of course. And I was surprised to see how it is. So now we are going back from Utrecht to Brussels. And the way going, we went by train, and we realized actually much better option to just go by bus. So we were staying nearby here at the hotel, at the
Park Plaza
Park
Hotel.
Plaza Hotel, and it's just 3 minutes walk from here. And so it cannot even be easier than this, and we will go straight to Brussels.
Yes.
Yeah, so we're leaving at 12:40 and we arrive just a little after 3 o'clock.
Yes.
Yeah.
So watch the video and let us know what do you think about the Flixbus.
Yes, and we're gonna share you some things of our journey in the Flixbus. And so if you ever want to travel cheap from Brussels, even this Flixbus also goes to Paris. It goes to a lot of places, other places as well. Then make sure to check it out. I will put the link below. And make sure to like the video
And subscribe to our channel if you didn't do yet.
and comment below what it is that you love about the Netherlands.
And what you want to see next time in the Netherlands. So we will do our best to make those videos.
So now you're gonna enjoy the video and the ride. Let's go.
You can travel all over the Europe very cheap. Let's show you price. Then you will surprise how cheap it is. Let's go to the route map and see how many destinations they are traveling. In US is everywhere they are traveling, and if you go to the Europe, as you can see that it travel also a lot of places in Europe. Let's say you are traveling from Paris to Amsterdam, and look at the price, how cheap it is. So Paris to Amsterdam, and let's say you are traveling 9th of April, one adult, search. As you can see, from Paris to Amsterdam, $31.99, which is incredible. You can never find anything cheaper than this. And subscribe to our channel. Remember, this is called flixbus.com. So we are on the bus now,
Yes.
going to Brussels. It is full, right?
Yeah, and I think a lot of people discovered this. I love it.
Yeah.
You check it out.
It's really busy. How was the journey?
Fantastic. Yeah. I will do it over again.
Yeah.
Yes. What else for you?
Good. So guys, we just arrived in Brussels after 3 hours.
2 hours and 45 minutes.
2 hours. Because they stopped also between two time, right? One on the highway
Yes.
somewhere and one in Antwerpen.
Yeah.
And I think it was really good.
Yeah.
Right?
It was amazing. I mean, I slept on the way, so I
Me
didn't
too.
have to change, no need to change anything.
No.
And especially it's very affordable, so you can easily go to different places. So now let us know in first of all, make sure you like this.
And if you didn't subscribe to our channel yet, subscribe.
Subscribe and let us know in the comments below. What other affordable ways of transportation do you know?
And click the notification bell as well.
Oh yeah, so that you're sure not to miss out on all of our other videos, because we want to help you live life to the fullest. See you in the next video.
Take care. Bye bye.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.